Hey guys, Heath from Homes on Wheels, and we are here at Freedom Homes in Alexandria, and we've got a nice, really nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath. If you're not looking for just a huge house, this is a perfect home for you. Got the front porch on here. Check that out. I'm out here with my buddy Save with Dave, and he's going to help us out giving us a tour in here today. Let's go in and take a look, see what it's got. We'll pop the floor plan up here in just a minute for you and let you see a little bit more about it. This also comes, I believe, in a 3-bedroom model, but this is going to be the 2-bedroom. So when we walk in here, it may be just a little bit darker. They don't have the power on in it, but I love this kitchen. Step in. Now you could come into the living room too, but we came in through the kitchen. Is that right, Dave?
Right.
Okay, so we're just going to start with the kitchen, then we'll step over and look at the bedroom. So you don't have to come in through the kitchen if you don't want to. I really like this. This is a nice home, man. All right, we're going to take a look, and obviously it passed the test already. Look right here, industrial pull down faucets there. Plenty of storage. You got your Frigidaire dishwasher to the left of the sink. Plenty of storage up through there. You've got can lighting. You got 3 can lights over your counter there, and then it comes on around. You got 2 more can lights as you pass on by the stove and the microwave and your refrigerator there. And we'll pan back this way. You've got the Ecobee right there. That's your smart home controller. If you're a techie like me, you like your computers, you can switch your heat and air around just with a flick of your cell phone. And here's the other door that you could come in. The blinds are pulled on it if you wanted somebody coming in directly to your living room area, and this is it right here. You got your ceiling fan. It's got, looks like 3 vents in the floor along this wall where you've got all these beautiful 4 windows for your natural lighting, and then this sliding door right here. And again, the blinds are pulled on it, but it's a sliding door just like we came in, same porch. So we're going to turn back and then we're going to go, and I haven't looked at the floor plan here, so we're going to be seeing this. You guys are going to be getting my reaction because this is the first time I've seen it. So the first room off to the left here, off your living room, this goes to another little side door, and it's also your mud room / your laundry room here. We're going to turn back, and you've got room right here to your right for your washer and your dryer hookup. And again, you've got your panel for your electrical stuff right here. I don't know if I can open this one-handed or not, but it is right there inside this room. Your heating and air returns right here, and it looks like the place for your hot water heater is right there as well. All right, so we're going to come back out of this room. We're going to turn back to the left, and we're going to walk down. And somebody mentioned about my feet squeaking. Sorry, it's a little damp outside. There's nothing I can do about that. So somebody mentioned that in one of our last videos. So we're going to pan back in here to this first bedroom. We're going to walk in. This is the primary. Okay, we'll save this one last. Sneak peek. So we're going to go straight ahead, and this is your first bedroom we're going to come to. And they've still got some stuff they're still staging in here. So we're going to walk in, and oh, this has a walk-in closet. Very cool. And you've got 1 light overhead there for your walk-in closet. It does have the wire shelving. Again, that's upgradable. You guys can get that stuff very easily on Amazon, and we'll be sure to put a link down in the description if you want to do that. And if you haven't already liked this video, hit like for us. Helps us out with the algorithm and keeps all these videos for free. And speaking of free videos, all we ask is you subscribe, and these videos will remain free. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. And we're looking in the guest bathroom now. And again, it's a little dark in there, but you can see you've got your standard shower and tub combo there. And you do have 1 light in here overhead. So you should be able to get enough light in there. And you've got your exhaust fan. All right, so we're going to pan back over, and I almost give this away. This is your master bedroom. Again, this is more of a minimalistic type home. So if you don't have kids, or maybe only 1 kid, maybe single parent, this would be a perfect home for you. Or maybe you're going to retire. Maybe you're going to put this on the river somewhere. It'd be a perfect river house too. All right, so we're gonna walk in here, and you've got one window in here. Then you've got a walk-in closet, looks like right here as well. A little smaller walk-in closet. But you got your wire shelves. Again, if you're just one person or a retired couple, that's plenty of room for you. And we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna have to shine my flashlight, and Dave, I think, is gonna do the honors with his cell phone. So it'll be a little dark in here. Just bear with us. The camera will pick up here in just a minute. So we come in and immediately you see your toilet straight ahead. Then we're gonna pan back to the left here, and you've got your shower right here. And it is that walk-in shower, so got plenty of room. And we're gonna pan back around, and then you've got your two sinks right here, and your mirror, and then you've got lighting overhead right there. And then you've got another closet right here. I'm assuming this is probably going to be for your towels. Yep, that'd be the perfect place for it right there. And you got plenty of storage for towels, cleaning supplies, whatever you want to put in there. All right, so we're going to go back out, and we're going to talk to Dave and see what he tells us about the pricing for this beautiful home. All right, so we're going to go back out now and see exactly what the price is on this home and see what you can get it for. And remember, this price at the time of filming, okay? And this home is only $127,900. And this is at the time of filming. We're here in February 2024. Oh, and it's now $109,900. How about that? I almost missed that. $109,900. So I was wrong. It's less expensive than I thought. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,159 square feet. And this is all the things, but you can call Dave here, and Dave can tell you all about it. Ask for him. He'll be glad to give you a tour and tell you all about it. They can go into all the financing options and all of that for you. And we're going to go right out that door. Dave's got another home that we're going to go see right now. Click that card up in the upper right and follow along, see where we go next. Hey everyone, before you click over to the next video, I want to take time just to thank each and every one of you that made it all the way to the end of this video. Brandon and I really appreciate all the support you guys have been given. And when you guys go to these home places and mention that you saw our videos, that really helps us out getting more content, and they are more willing to let us come film. So please mention that. And also, since you made it all the way to the end, we're going to do a random giveaway of somebody in the comments for a $25 Amazon gift card. I know it's not much, but just want to say thank you for you guys that stay all the way to the end. All you gotta do, just drop a comment down there in the comments. Just let us know that you made it all the way to the end without saying, hey, contest top stuff or anything like that. So just mention that in the comments, and we'll do a random drawing in the future and announce it in our community section. See you guys in the next video.